Hey guys, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 9. This Watch Me First is going to be posted right on the very top here, just like all the other weeks. So let's see what do we have this week. So this week we have is your chapter 7 quiz. So here is the quiz, and for the quiz you have your outline, your PowerPoint, and the video that goes with that. If you are doing quantitative research and are going to do applied research, chapter 7 is probably the one of the most important chapters because it includes null hypothesis. It is all about hypothesis testing. You would have to do a null hypothesis, an alternate hypothesis, set your significance value, all of those things when you end up doing applied research. So this is a great precursor for it, and also one of the most important reasons it's there in Intro to Research is to set that stage when you are going on there. So the next thing that you have is I have put these two documents there. These are just for your reference. I would strongly suggest to keep it for your applied research, whoever you have for it, because these documents give you a very clear idea about statistics. So like here, this is from your book, is basically talking about the symbols. The symbols matter a lot. So when you have a sample from the population, what symbols do you use for these measures? And when you have a parameter, which is your population, what symbols do you use? Because you always set the null hypothesis using the parameter because you're making inferences about the population. The other one that is not there in your book is what analysis to be done. This may look weird to you, but it is a very simple one. So let's look at it. You're doing an independent sample t-test. That means you have one dichotomous and one continuous. So basically what it says is you have one variable that would be a yes and a no, or pre and a post, which is actually dependent, but you'll have two samples, and then you have one continuous variable. And dependent is when you actually do it on the same person. So this just gives you a very good overview. Mostly in applied research, once again, we cover the one sample, independent, dependent, and ANOVA, and bivariate correlation. Those are the five that are covered in applied research, but it definitely depends on the professor that you have and everything else. So this is not a document that you really need for this course, but I wanted to give you just so that you have it for the future reference. So once again, you have your quiz. Quiz has 20 questions, and as per our discussion with everybody who's filled up the Google form, Google survey I should say, is the time limit is 2 hours. So you have one attempt, multiple choice, true and false, and it is limited to 2 hours. So hopefully that is going to help you as you take your quiz. Best of luck. Bye.